this little inexpensive scanner just takes, it's not true LiDAR, but it takes multiple pictures, and then the app sort of puts them into a 3D. If you get enough frames, it'll put it into a 3D picture.
So a good analogy for this is for the viewers that have Starlink. If you're mapping obstructions in the sky for your Starlink and you look at it, it's kind of the same thing. You're mapping all these pinpoints and then it puts together the whole image. Same concept.
And if it works, if we get enough points, it will give us about a 5 to 7 second video that we can look at 360. And what I have found is it's kind of neat to look at the underside of the thing. Yeah. You see the green points? Mm-hmm. That means it's taking data. If it's red, I'm either too close or too far away.
But it's something that's definitely going to take practice.
Yes.
So I would recommend, like, go out in your yard or someplace in the dirt, put an impression in, and then just practice scanning it.
See, I got too close and it went red. If you're in the green, it's taking data. So I usually have to do it for 3 or 4 minutes to get enough. So this is inexpensive. They make more expensive scanners that would be quicker and probably better, but just for quick field work, this is a reasonable thing. And then I usually pause it, see if I have enough. This one says continue scanning, so I may be doing it for a while.
Or stop there, you could.
It's not liking it now.
No, finally in the green again, sort of. We just did one about 10 feet behind us, and it turned out okay.
I'm not going to play it, do this.
I like it again. Pause it.
Passing that over. But like Steve will break down when you get that bomb man hot.
There we go. There's green.
Try.
Now you're cooking with Crisco.
But you took him all the way to the ground. It's the way you got done.
Till I get red again.
For the folks that don't know what that saying means, back in, I think, the 20s, most of the families predominantly cooked with lard until Crisco came out, and it was a result of petroleum engineering, I believe, that resulted in this product. But it was expensive, and so you knew you were living, here's another euphemism for you, high on the hog if you could afford to buy Crisco to cook with. So saying now you're cooking with Crisco means that, like, you've made it, you're there.
We appear to be cooking, but it's funny how it takes.
We might be simmering.
Yeah, it's funny how it takes 10 minutes to get a 5-second video.
Yeah.
Although I think we're getting closer. It says, I don't know, can you see the screen from there?
Yeah.
You see all the fixed green points?
Yes. That's what's been mapped.
You want enough of those to cover the majority of the space. So we have a fair amount of data. The question is if it's enough. So for instance, it says, if this is correct, it has over, 12 or 1,300 picture frames with 22,000 points already mapped. And then I'm going to pause and see if that's enough.
Yeah.
And there it is.
Oh, nice.
And then it'll process all those points that it mapped. And hopefully when we get back to camp, I'll pull up the 2 videos we scanned.
Nice. Good job, Doc.